Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back in my channel again. I'm Salman Al and in this video I will configure about the UKK TKJ exam. Okay, UKK TKJ exam, and the test is a platform test. So this how do I do in this video. Okay, for the topology I have two router and one switch and two client for the checking the test. Okay, this is I have a two router microtic and the router Cisco. So router Cisco and microtic configuring the BGP routing. Configure BGP routing. So to how to client for and client connect, so that is connected with BGP, right? And then what test why do this test why do this under router A and router B. The router configuring the DHCP, okay, DHCP client, and so the router have IP address from the internet, from the ESP, okay, internet service provider, and the network. So they are giving in ESP. On the router microtic, the IP address is 253.0/28, and the router Cisco is 4.0/28. So in the test 6, so you do the dynamic routing router A to router B, and then you configure in the router microtic, configure the web proxy. Okay. Web proxy, and then port is 3128, and then change manager, this up to you. It's about the name or email. Okay, and then this you must blocking site. Okay, blocking two website, and then for the last you setting the bandwidth so it's direct to the client microtik. Okay, let's try configuration. So I will start on the microtik router, and then you must log in the default login on microtik. Login is ID and password is blank. Okay, let's configure the IP DHCP client. Oh, it's automatically have on the microtik. Next, IP address to the client, IP address, add address, then 250.3.1/28, then interface header 2, then IP DHCP server setup, interface header 2, and next. Next, configure the IP firewall net, add chain, source net, and then the alt interface. Alt interface is interface, so direct on the switch, direct on the internet. Interface either one. Interface, so direct on the switch and on the internet is either one. Push either one, and then action mesh for it. Next, configure the routing BGP. Routing BGP, set routing BGP instance, set 0, then redistribute static, yes, and then redistribute connected, yes. As number is 100. This as number is 100. Next, go to the adding the network, routing BGP network at network, at network 100.50.3.0 slash 28. Next, routing BGP. This is the number. I will go to the router Cisco, enable and configure terminal, and then hostname first. Oh yeah, yes, I forgot to add the hostname. System identity, set name, sample router recording, right? And then this hostname is router Cisco. Then go to interface 0 to 0. This is interface to 0, and the client internet 0 to 0. Now Saturn first, and the IP address TKJ. The address TKJ. Oh yeah, I forgot. I want to ping to the internet first. Okay. And then true ping. Okay, success. Success, right? You can see the IP address in two solve interface, IP interface brief, and they had to the client have other router Cisco. Next, configure IP address interface Ethernet 0/1, Ethernet 0/1, and no certain ports IP address 100.50.1.240 because it's slash 28, and then exit and create the IP DHCP pool. Example pool the client, so including the network to 100.50.4.0 and 2.5, 2.0. This is the sound network. So including the default router, is 50.4.1, and the last is 10 and server. So next, configure the router BGP to 100. And then you configure, you include in the network first. Network to 100.50.4, right? 0.0. Mask 2.5, 2.5, 2.5 to 4.0. Okay. And then the distribute static, and Neckbar. Neckbar is, I forgot the neckbar. Neckbar is the IP direct to IP internet. Okay, let us explain. This is the neckbar. Okay, neckbars are direct on the micro. So neckbar 31.245. Neckbar 1.245. Then remote AS 100. So the router microtik, configure the routing BGP, pair, BGP pair, and then add a remote address, 31 IP interface brief user 149, and then remote AS 200. So the network is adjacent. Next, we are check client. So client 4 and the client 5 have to connect it. First, we request the IP address first. Okay, let me know. Then sudo dh client, then enter and including the password. If config. Okay, that's the client done. Then go to client 5. Go to the terminal and then sudo dh client admin. Waiting. Okay, if config IP address have. Next, check ping to the 200.50.3.1 first. Okay, done, and then ping to the 40. Okay, so ping in here in client on the microtik 200.15.4.1. Okay, and then wait, is dot 3. Okay, that out right. Being so success. So next, check the ping on the internet. Okay, success. And the client point ping. Okay, client 5 or client 4 success, and client 5 no success. Client 5 is the utility score. Do so run first, do so run. Oh yeah, I forgot. I had configured the NAT and the literacy score. I configure the NAT first. Configure is access list 1, and then permit the IP address 13.4.0.0.0. This is the wheel card. Just 28. Then IP NAT inside source list 1, and then I forgot interface internet 0 overload. Okay, go to interface internet 0 and then IP NAT outside internet 0/1 IP NAT inside. Okay, let's see. The ping is successful. Ping again is successful. So next configuration. This is the management web proxy, and then management bandwidth, web proxy and bandwidth. So I will access the MikroTik in Pnet lab to Winbook on my laptop. So the address is this. If you want connected on the Winbook, all right. So you can write the IP address and the connect. So then the configuration number 7, set a web proxy, the menu IP web proxy, and then this enable the chat administrator. Example, I change Salman Al Bukhari at gdn.ac.id. So apply first. The port you can change 3128. 3128. Okay. Play and then go to access. Add exchange is denied. Add a host. Sample website is n1bkj.sch.id. Okay, and then apply copy. Next, the smkn1 kopo smkn1 kopo. Okay, apply. Okay, next go to the IP firewall and go to the NAT. Add chain is this the NAT, and the protocol TCP destination port is 80, and protocol the HTTP and HTTPS. Direction is redirect to port, same port at the web proxy setting. Okay, and then apply and okay. So move the redirect this to the number 0 or number 1. Alright, so check the client, go to access to website. Example, I will go to the website an1 corpo.sch.id. Waiting. an1 corpo.sch.id. Go. Yeah, configuration so success. Access denied and your just administration is Salman Al-Ghifari at udn.ac.id. So next, SMAN 1 bkj.sch.id, enter and send. SMAN 1 gopo sch.id. What if I disable this? The website can be accessed in here. I repeat, I refresh, and then you can see the website so I have the access. Okay. If I disable this web proxy access, then for the last configuration, so the management bandwidth. Okay, last configuration is management bandwidth. You can see this. So client, so direct on the cable has bandwidth 64 kbps. Okay, you can see this. And if I enable again and I refresh, so website no can access, cannot access. The last configuration and the menu queue and on the menu simple queue add the name, so up to you, and an interface, so direct, so target, you can choose the interface or target you at the destination IP address. Example, I choose the interface, so interface for direct and client is either 2 and a max limit. I choose the 1 to 8 and 1 to 8K. Okay, apply and okay. So go to the speed test. Waiting for a second. And you can do like this. Okay, waiting. Example, I disable this first because our internet so really slow. I disable first and go to the speed test first. Waiting. Don't again. I try the ping. We go. Okay, success. So my internet so very low, very slow. Hello Facebook. Not can access. Right. So I disable this chain. Okay. Go again. And yeah. So speed test. Okay. Speed test, and I enable this QU. Enable and go to test my bandwidth. Okay, the bandwidth. So just just 0.1.2. Okay, it's the maximum. 0.1 Mbps, and this download and upload. So if I try to change the 512 and 512 and apply and go again, so internet have changed to 512. 512. Okay. So that's about the configuration UKK bucket 1. Yeah, our configuration have gone. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next configuration again. Bye.